Said, at least to me at this point, it looks like a top and bottom beat for Costco, but there's a lot more to the story, I'm sure.
There's a lot more to the story, but as I said, we kind of know the comp. I haven't seen the comp number, but they release those numbers monthly, so that shouldn't be a surprise. You know, it was up today nicely, so maybe it's just giving back a little bit of that now. But this is a great story, and as I said before, I mean, it trades at 32 times earnings. If it were to pull back more, you absolutely should be buying this thing because this is a definition of a compounder, right? And they have that recurring revenue. It's just that it's expensive. So I'd like to get it at a 25 multiple if I can.
All right. Court, what do you got?
Yeah, so for Costco, I know you guys were just talking about it here. We've got earnings of $3.04. We are not clear if this is comparable to analyst estimates. Revenues, though, did beat estimates, $52.569 billion compared to $51.707. Comp sales, I know that Steph was talking about how we do get them monthly, so they're not much of a surprise. For the 12 weeks full company, 15% growth there. U.S. alone, even stronger, higher by almost 17%. The adjusted number, however, when you're adjusting for things like FX and gasoline, U.S. higher by almost 11%, total company higher by about 11% there. And they don't really give us a whole lot more information in the release typically, Scott, so we're going to have to listen into the call for more details. But of course, we know we're in this inflationary environment, and discounters, warehouse clubs do often get a little pickup from shoppers that are interested in buying in bulk, saving money. Of course, Costco sells gasoline. Gasoline is expensive. If you're a member, it's less expensive. So that could have also driven some footsteps. I'm curious to know some of those details.
Yeah, all right. And we'll hear from you again, I'm sure. And there may be, as Courtney was alluding to at the top, whether the 304 versus the estimate of 303 is comparable or not. In fact, it may not be, and that also may be what the street is trying to figure out as it decides which direction it wants to push this stock. Keith, give me a comment on the consumer in terms of discretionary names. You like them or not?
Yeah, well, I mean, we've been neutral, so maybe strongly neutral, Scott. But I think what you're even hearing today is there's just so much divergences. It's not like you're buying the whole sector. I would say, if we look a little bit longer, I mean, we prefer still the energy sector. We've been overweight since February of 2021. So energy prices are staying high. That will actually negatively impact the consumer still. We still like materials. And as we have this bounce that we expect, if that happens, we would actually continue to rotate in some of these more defensive areas like healthcare and staples, because we think it's going to be a pretty choppy environment. On a short-term perspective, for someone who's more of a trader, I do think some of these areas in general are going to have a bounce. Think about this morning, and we're not picking individual stocks, but Macy's was trading at around 4 or 5 times PE. So a lot of these stocks have been marked down. I think they're ripe for a further move up. But again, I think as we look a little bit further, we would still be a little bit more defensively inclined for someone with like a 6 to 12 month outlook.